Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Keeway SR125. The Keeway SR125 is a motorcycle that stands out in every way. From its sleek design to its smooth ride, this bike isn't just a mode of transportation, it's an experience. If you're looking for something that blends classic style with modern performance, the State Route 125 has everything you need. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at what makes this bike so special, from its design features to its performance on the road. First, let's talk about the design. The State Route 125 has a bold, retro look that's perfect for anyone who loves vintage style but doesn't want to sacrifice modern-day performance. The angular lines and the sharp edges give it a dynamic, sporty look, while the chrome accents add a touch of class. The black and chrome finish, paired with that sleek gas tank, makes this bike visually striking and perfect for riders who want to stand out from the crowd. But it's not just about looks. The Keeway SR125 is a powerful bike with a 125cc engine that's both efficient and agile. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising down highways, this motorcycle gives you the right balance of power and control. The engine is designed for smooth acceleration, making it an ideal ride for both beginners and more experienced riders. You can easily shift through the gears, and the bike offers great low-end torque, ensuring a fun ride no matter where you are. One of the key features of the SR125 is its ride quality. Keeway has designed this bike with comfort in mind. The ergonomics are perfect for city commuting, with a comfortable seat and a rider-friendly layout. Whether you're riding for an hour or the entire day, you won't feel fatigued thanks to the thoughtful design. The suspension system, with its telescopic forks and twin shock absorbers, helps smooth out rough roads, making your ride a lot more comfortable. Now let's talk about handling. The SR125 is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver through traffic or take on twisty roads. It feels incredibly nimble, and its low center of gravity allows you to handle tight corners with confidence. Plus, the alloy wheels and tubeless tires provide the necessary grip for both wet and dry conditions, giving you the stability you need when you need it most. The braking system of the SR125 is also worth mentioning. The front disc and rear drum brakes deliver solid stopping power, and the bike's braking performance is responsive without being too harsh. This gives you better control, especially when you're riding at higher speeds or on busy roads. Now, when it comes to technology and features, the State Route 125 doesn't disappoint. It comes with an easy-to-read instrument cluster that provides you with all the vital information you need: speed, fuel level, and engine temperature, while keeping the design simple and minimal. The round halogen headlamp offers good illumination, and the LED indicators add a modern touch. The bike is equipped with all the necessary components to make your ride as safe and enjoyable as possible. The fuel efficiency of the SR125 is another thing that makes it a great choice for everyday riding. Whether you're using it to commute to work or going on a weekend getaway, this bike is economical on fuel, ensuring you won't have to stop at gas stations every few miles. This makes the State Route 125 an affordable option for those who are looking to save money without compromising on performance. The SR125 is also built to last. Keeway has used high-quality materials in its construction, ensuring that every part of the bike is durable and robust. The frame feels solid, and the paintwork is smooth and glossy. This bike isn't just built to look good, it's built to withstand the test of time and take on whatever challenges the road throws at it. Let's not forget the customization options. Whether you want to add some accessories to give your State Route 125 a personal touch or need specific add-ons for practical purposes, Keeway offers a range of options that allow you to make this bike truly your own. Customizing the bike is an easy way to enhance both its functionality and its visual appeal. Keeway also offers great after-sales service and support, making it easy to maintain your SR125. With a reliable service network, you can keep your bike in top condition without any hassle. Whether it's routine maintenance or troubleshooting, getting help is just a call away. The SR125 is more than just a bike, it's a lifestyle. It's for those who enjoy the freedom that comes with riding. It's for those who appreciate the balance of style, performance, and practicality. It's for anyone who wants to stand out on the road while enjoying an exhilarating ride. If you're in the market for a reliable, stylish, and affordable bike, the Keeway SR125 is definitely worth considering. From its impressive design and smooth performance to its comfort and durability, this motorcycle checks all the boxes. It's a bike that promises a fun and reliable riding experience for both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts alike. So, what do you think about the Keeway SR125? Is it the bike you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews, tips, and all things motorcycles. And as always, thanks for watching. And as always, please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.